Hi, I'm Kaylee.
And I'm Nick.
And we quit our jobs to travel full-time. After 3 years of planning and hundreds of hours researching the best ways to travel on a budget, we finally pulled the trigger. Shout out to our parents and neighbors for helping us pack all of our belongings. We love y'all. And this is our dog Archie, who we probably love more. We cry every day because we miss him so much, but he's having a great time with Nick's parents.
Cheers.
Oh God. I can't.
Oh, Biscal.
Oh! We were leaving from St. Louis, but to save a few $100s, we decided to fly out of Chicago. We were going to take an Amtrak train there for about $25 each, but ran into an issue with my passport the day before, so we got a last-minute flight to get there earlier.
So what are we here for?
We're flying to Madrid
Why are we here so early?
to try and get an emergency passport, but they have no appointments because my name is spelled wrong. Hopefully we make it on this flight.
We'll see how it goes.
Only 8 more hours. After several hours of doing nothing, I decided to get a workout in. Ten out of 10 recommend one of these inflatable neck pillows. We flew nonstop to Madrid with Iberia, and we give it an 8 out of 10 on the food. We finally arrived in Madrid and ran into a bit of an issue getting from the airport to our hotel.
Okay, so we got the passport situation figured out for now. A little misspelling, but at the moment we are in Madrid. But then we made our first mistake. We went to the bus terminal.
Apparently not all the buses go to the bus terminal. They're in the regular terminal. Bus station does not equal
two
buses.
different bus areas. So currently hiking it back to the exact place where we came from. It says terminal.
I think it's this way.
Still don't know where we're going, so that's good.
Well, but he said 0 so I assume.
Okay, we'll see where we get from here. What did we find out?
Train, not bus. And there's no information for anything anywhere, ever. This is our hotel. It is Hostal La Fontana. I booked it through Expedia for $55 a night. Yes, it is technically a hostel, but we had our own room and bathroom, so it really worked out well for us. It was really close to everything. We walked all the time and right next to the metro. Like and subscribe for budget travel tips and tricks, and follow us on Instagram to see more of our adventures. See you next time.